Hello, you are eagerly waiting for this review and so exciting again. I would like to really congratulate NDA for completely changing the pattern of questions and giving weightage for concepts clarity rather than just rote learning. So people who used to just refer the previous year questions alone without learning the concept will definitely be thrown out of this series. So hats off to you, all of you who are preparing through the basic concepts and making it very clear while you learn. So once again, this is dominated by Indian logic, and the special focus was on the different types of Asiddha, then again the basics of Indian logic. We have been emphasizing to go through Indian logic right from the first shift onwards. This is the fourth shift. So I believe the importance of Western logic has been completely reduced today. And there was one question from squares of opposition today. That was a little bit of relaxation for people who are just practicing the previous year questions and on. And I'm very happy that we did discuss these types of Asiddha in detail in our regular class as well as in our YouTube channel. It is available. So I will just quickly take you through the questions. You can see that Asiddha, the different types of Asiddha I have mentioned over here: Asraya Asiddha, Swarupa Asiddha, and Vyaptava Asiddha, and the examples. So out of the three, two were asked today, I believe. And when the example is sky lotus is fragrant because it's a lotus like the lotus of the lake. That's an example for Asraya Asiddha. And sound is a quality because it's visible. An example for Swarupa Asiddha. And Vyaptava Siddha, and best example that we learned, the hill has smoke because it has fire. So these are all examples for Indian logic fallacies, and we were expecting that they will ask from, they will be asking from the other fallacies too in the upcoming series. So please be prepared with examples on each of these Indian logic fallacies. So a very high weightage on Indian logic again from the logical reasoning module as well as in paper one. And the weightage of higher education was less. We had questions from NEP again, ICT, general knowledge based research, types of research they have started asking. And most of the questions from research are matched the following today. Teaching aptitude and communication, completely assertion reason type. Reading comprehension was okay. I think it was again related to this pandemic. And data interpretation question from ratios and percentages. So in line with expectation. And that was a table based on the production related table. So even if you haven't started with Indian logic, don't worry. There are enough number of videos in our channel, and those who have attended my classes will please do revise and make sure you are very clear with the examples for different Indian logic Hedva or Indian logic fallacies. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow with the next review. All the best.